If this is your first time watching this video, please read the description. And if you're back for another listen, welcome back. All my dreams are coming true. I love my life. I love experiencing this existence. Getting to experience this amazing and abundant life. I'm so comfortable being who I am. I accept myself for exactly who I am. I know that I am confident in every area of my life. I am so thankful and grateful for my life. I feel validated and passionate. I feel prosperous and grounded. I am balanced and I am free. I have freedom in every area of my life. I am successful. Success comes so easily to me. All my dreams are coming true. I'm soaking up all the feelings of what it feels like for all of my wildest dreams to be playing out before me now. Everything that I ever wanted, I am now experiencing. I can see it right before my eyes. Every way I look, I see the dream life playing out. In the area of my relationships, I feel so free. I feel so dreamy. Such a dream to experience life among all of these amazing individuals and deep relationships that I cultivate. In the area of my finances, I see that I am so abundant and free. All of the dreams that I ever wanted to pursue are at my fingertips. I now have all of the provisions I ever wanted. I'm so provided for. I'm so taken care of. And I take responsibility for myself and my financial needs. And in the area of my wellness and health, every dream has come true. I'm able to experience the things I love to experience. And my body carries me through this life. I love it. I make sure to take care of my body, to exercise, and to eat healthy as best that I am physically able, because I know that this body allows me to experience this dream life, and I just love it. I am rested and refreshed. I am breathing deeply every day, focusing on my breath and allowing it to carry me through each life experience, soaking up all of the sensations that I have in this dream life, in this dream body, all of the sensations and the feelings that I've been gifted with, experiencing them through this vessel that I love and take care of. And all of my dreams are coming true in the area of my mental health, the way that I always wanted to feel. I am now feeling. The guidance that I have needed to get to this point has always shown up and is continuing every day to guide me into higher and higher spirals of empowerment and forgiveness and true love, a knowledge and acceptance of who I am. All of my dreams are coming true in the area of my spirituality. I am able to explore endlessly the expanses of my own deep inner being, the expanses of my imagination, the expanses of nature, and of all those I come in contact with. I see endlessly before me, displaying every day the divine pattern among all things and the beautiful rhythm of the flow of love, the flowing river from the fingertips of the source, the infinite giver, my own spiritual mother, this beautiful natural world all around me, constantly displaying the beauty of that which is so much further beyond my comprehension than I could ever know. And so every day I feel that my dreams are coming true in this area of my life as I am able to feel more grounded and more centered, and a knowing feeling of absolute faith and belief, strong, guided, and clear. All of my dreams are coming true in the area of my career. I'm pursuing that which I love. I'm experiencing things and learning things from the places I find myself in every day that are helping me grow and moving me forward in the direction that I want to see myself moving forward in. And so now I see myself moving forward, and I see myself as this embodiment of dreams coming true, the embodiment of everything that I have worked so hard for, and yet has come so naturally. It's the kind of work that brings so much fulfillment, and it's the kind of work that is effortless. For my work is not to work. My work is simply to stand back and watch everything unfold forward and towards my wildest dreams, all appearing before me every day as they always have. I now inhale the purity of presence, breathing in the clear crystal air of the natural beauty surrounding me and within me, arriving here now, coming into this perfect present moment, journeying through an imaginative prayer, a prayer of confirmation of who I know myself to be. And it ends and begins all within gratitude, breathing in the receptivity and breathing out the generosity. Forgiving and receiving are one. Just as inhaling and exhaling the spirit happens always within the background, like a background song of love constantly playing, regardless of what might be going on internally or externally. There's always a calm tune, and the calm tune can be found within the breath of gratitude. Let it be so. Thy will and not my own.